This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Review the design rules. The default new board created by the software will include rules that are not needed in every design, and many other rules will need to be adjusted to suit the requirements for your design. For this reason, it is very important to review the design rules. This can be done in the PCB Rules and Constraint Editor. Select Design Rules at the top of the tree on the left, then scan down the Attributes column for all the rules and quickly locate any that need their values adjusted. The default board also uses imperial units. If your board uses metric, there will be many rules values such as the solder mask expansion that will change from rounded values like 4 mil to 0.102 millimeter, or the minimum solder mask silver default will change from 10 mil to 0.254 millimeter. While the least significant digit, for example, is 0.002 millimeter is significant when it comes to output generation, you can edit these settings in the design rules if it bothers you.